Hi, I'm Shashank.
Hi, I'm Sinchana.
Sinchana, do you know these dogs and dolphins can hear some sounds which we humans cannot?
Oh, is it? I didn't know.
Yeah, sound is nothing but a vibration of molecules with some frequencies, and we humans can hear these frequencies ranging from 20 to 20,000 hertz, whereas dogs and dolphins can hear frequencies beyond 20,000 hertz. Amazing?
Yes.
Yeah, let's build some sound toys to know more about science of sound. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. All you need is this. Let's build our first toy, what we call a clap in the air. What we require for that is a cardboard sheet of around 12 centimeter in length and 5 centimeter in width. And we are going to cut this into two halves. We'll mark a line at the center and we'll make two notches at either sides. We'll do the same for the second cardboard as well. So we have two cardboard pieces of 6 centimeter by 5 centimeter and notches at either ends. Now we are going to put a rubber band at this notch and our first clap in the air is ready. So to play with this, fold it at either sides and throw it in the air. Amazing. So fold it to the other side and throw it in the air. Amazing. Yeah. So let's start with our second toy. Name of the second toy is called lip lock whistle. To build lip lock whistle, we need a postcard size sheet which is cut from A4 sheet. We need to fold this postcard size sheet at the center, and at the either side we have to make foldings at around 1.5 centimeter. So that we can hold this paper with our two fingers. Now we will cut two notches at either sides. So our lip lock whistle is ready. Now we have to hold this lip lock whistle from our two fingers and blow in between the sheets. Amazing. This shows that vibration creates sound. The name of the third toy is called ambulance whistle. To build an ambulance whistle, we require a straw which is cut into two pieces. One of 5 centimeter in length, the other one is of around 10 centimeter in length. For this straw, the 10 centimeter one, measure 4 centimeter from one of the end, fold it and cut one of the corner using scissors. So you have a small hole on the top. For the second straw, at one of the end, make a notch like this. So to blow it, hold this on the top like this. It should be a triangle. Using two sheets, cardboard sheets, cover it and apply a sellotape. Maybe you get to hold this, even you can put a sellotape in the beginning, and in the later you can put double set tape or a single set tape to make a whistle. So that will look like this. So to make it work, blow from the angled straw. So one side is big, one side is small. That difference in the size creates a different pitch and the different sound. This is called ambulance whistle.